I work with youth, I teach. I know when I say baka change. Kiboni. Yeah.
Maybe
youth.
maybe it's really so despondent.
But let me say, I come to your point. You don't see any future on young South Africans, black.
Especially
Why?
2000. Now you can't depend on my.
Why do you think there's no hope?
Anything happening.
You said that despondent.
Nah. Yes, I've lost hope.
Okay.
You lost hope to the youth or the government?
No, the youth. Because look, how is a comparison of what happened in '76? This is too much. Maburu are exploited. It's enough is enough. We want change. But the modern child, but if we are not he knows something can happen. How about the right information? Maybe.
I do not lose hope because I have come across strong-willed youth. So when you see other spectrums of things, you think differently. So this is based on my observation of something can happen. That's why I do not lose hope about the youth. I see the youth as how about poisoning, about palazis poison. You see that process. Like about palazis that if you understand what I mean. Yeah, because seeing the strength, dynamism, and the spark in other youths I've worked with. I've seen people come out from dyslexia and other disturbing brain issues and become better. I've seen it with my eyes. So without a doctor, mutu aliko spacing, senaling peace and harmony. What change? So what we see is just a mess, misinformation of some sort. Gadi media, gadi taba, because the taba news is bad, is negativity. How can Kanyala about Likoe? Maraurati was at the camp.